Weesie has decided that she's going to make funny noises today. Can you make a funny noise? Yes. Weesie thinks that sounding like she can't breathe is funny. Do it again. Can you do it again? Oh! Are you going to do it again? Yeah, that's not funny, but you think it's funny, don't you? Yeah. Can you do it again? What? Did you do that? Make that noise? Yeah. Oh, you're very proud of yourself, aren't you? You can do it again? Yeah. Can you do it? Are you going to do it again? Say maybe not. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, that's a good word. What? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Say bye-bye, everybody.